YouTube universe, this is one of my favorites and I want to share it with you. It's called The Eyes of an Old Soul. With the eyes of an old soul, she looks upon the world. A soul as old as stars in the body of a sweet young girl who sees the world in a different way. We only wonder what she takes in. Don't fall in love, because every time you see her, you'll fall all over again. With every breath you want to save her, take her away from it all. To find you want to enslave her behind your own prison walls. Not that you wish to harm her, just keep her to yourself. But she won't be held prisoner by you or anyone else. With the eyes of an old soul, she'll captivate your mind. A soul so dark and beautiful with a light that leaves you blind. She sees the beauty in the people when most would turn away. She'll bring you to your knees with a smile like a child on Christmas Day. With a voice as sweet as honey, she'll break through castle walls. You'll hear the echo long after she's gone through the lonely, empty halls, bringing out the best and worst and whatever's in between. In my life, I swear she's it, my fallen angel, my friend. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel. I've got many, many more.